Hey Glam Fam, what's poppin'? Welcome to all my newcomers. How is everyone doing today? Again, I'm doing great because I look great. Check out this new look. I know, right? It's super cute. So I'm gonna call this extra, because it's super cute, it's super extra, very bold, very bright, like boom, in your face. So yes, I really like this look. Yeah. Nothing really special about it, just some new colors. I've never really used yellow, green, and blue together with the under eye. So, yes, let's go ahead and get started. I hope you guys really like it. Alright, Glam Fam, we're going to jump right into it, starting out with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. We're going for that dandelion yellow. Now when we apply this yellow, this is going to be the first color to our transitional base. It's going to go to the top inner corner of our eyelids. So it's important that you want to go ahead and pack all that color on. Don't really worry about blending just yet. Just go ahead and get as much pigment on the lid as you can right now. After we've packed on our yellow, we're going to switch palettes. We're going to go straight into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're going to go for that lime green. This lime green will be the second color of our transitional base, and it's going to go in the middle of our lid. Now, it's usually really hard to get the color out of the pigment. Get the pigment out of this particular color, so you're just going to have to be here for a while and go ahead and try to pack on as much color as you can. Next, we're going to stay with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're going to go for that sky blue. The sky blue will be the third color to the transitional base, and you're basically going to go ahead and try to blend that into the green as best you can, while still making sure you pack on a lot of pigment.
Each move requires all your strength. Come on! Nobody is going to save you now.
Now that the outer gradient is almost complete, we're going to go ahead and switch to the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going to go for that dark blue. Now, this blue will go to the corners of our lids, and it's really, really strong, so you don't need a lot of it. So just make sure you go ahead and finish the color block to match your eye shape. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to blend in that sky blue into the dark blue, blend the green into the sky blue, and then blend the yellow into the green. That way everything is nicely blended, it's seamless, and it flows into each other.
Well, now I want to teach you a new technique.
Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut our crease. This is the white concealer by Conceal, and you're just going to block out the section for that cut crease. Now we're going to have two separate color gradients. We have the top one, and then we're going to have the bottom one where we're cutting our crease right now. So it's really important to make sure that you have enough space for your crease. So now we're going to go ahead and start our secondary gradient. We're going back into the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place, and this time we're going for that lemon yellow. And when we add that lemon yellow, it's going to go to the bottom corner of our eyelid. So we have the dandelion yellow on top, and then we have the lemon yellow on the bottom. So it's important that you can see the difference between both of those two yellows. So now that we have our lemon yellow in place, we're going to switch to our 88 color shimmer palette by BH Cosmetics, and this time we're going for that shimmer lime green. Now, just like the other lime green, this is going to go secondary to the lemon yellow. Don't really worry about blending just yet. Just make sure you get that color there. For our last color, we're going to switch to that true blue in the Shimmer palette. And this color, we're going to go into the end corners. We're not going to add a sky blue for this one. We're just going to go ahead and blend that green straight into that true blue.
Each war requires all your strength. Come on! Nobody is going to save you now. Let the contest begin. Now you gotta...
Okay, so far I'm pretty satisfied with the way my eyeshadow build looks. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our liner. This is a traditional black liquid liner, and we're gonna do our wings the way we normally would. Thin on the inside, then we're gonna go ahead and thicken out for the middle, and then we thin out again towards the end. I just want to go ahead and give you guys a look at what it looks like so far. It's pretty nice. Like I said, we have two different gradients, one on the top, one on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and do my face, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, so our face is done. We have our foundation, we have our glow, we have our lashes and everything. So now we're just going to go ahead and we're going to finish up our look. So we're going to go back into the Juvia's Place palette, and we're going to go for that orange. Now when we add this orange, it's going to go to the bottom inner corner of our eyes. So now that we have that, we're going to switch back into our Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're going to go for that highlighter pink, because it wouldn't be extra if we didn't have all these extra colors. So yes, we're going to go ahead and apply that pink to the bottom outer corner of our eyes. It's going to be the orange that blends into the pink, and then that will finish that. Here we're just going to take our regular mascara. This is the Mega Length by Wet n Wild, and you're just going to go ahead and prep your bottom lashes. Now that we have our lashes prepped, we're going to go back into that basic liquid eyeliner, and we're going to carve out that feline corner, right? So this is the inner corner. We already have our outer wing. This is going to be the inner wing. This is going to have that more feline, exotic, you know, type of feel.
Stop all this talk. Teach him a lesson. You may have overcome one of my styles.
Now we are going to jump into our highlight. This is the Shimmer palette by Kiss Professional. It's kind of like a silver rose type-ish. So you're just going to go ahead and add a little bit to your nose, and you're going to add some to your cheekbones just to give it that extra glow. We're not going to add to the inner tear ducts because we already have something there. So we're just going to move on to our clear lip gloss. This is by M.A.C. And just apply your lip gloss the way you normally would. Because we're extra, we're going to go the extra mile, and we're going to add some gold glitter to the bottom of our lips. Not a whole lot, just a little bit, just to make sure that our lips are really popping. So this is the finished look. I'm going to go ahead and let you ladies see how that is. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't already, support the channel, drop a like, and I will see you guys in the next one.